If you're looking to log out or sign out of your Outlook account, then here is how to do it. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open a web browser, and once inside the web browser, tap on the search address bar and go to the outlook.com and make sure that you are logged into your Outlook account. Once inside the Outlook, all you have to do is click on your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of your screen. So as you can see, my AD option available at the top right. Let's simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see sign out option available there. So simply tap on it. This logs you out of your Microsoft account across all Microsoft web apps, Outlook, OneDrive, Word Online, and many more. Then once you tap on the sign out, all you have to do is wait for a few seconds. Then you will be completely signed out of your Outlook account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.